Hello guys, this is HalloweenSwain and this is the exercise number 2. Now this exercise also for the beginner. Now I'm planning to make at least 5 exercise, first 5 for beginner, then medium, and then we are going to go for expert one. So this is the second exercise, and as you can see, this is a simple block. Now I have created the PDF as well. If you can just screenshot and try by your own and then see the video or follow me. So for this one, we are going to use the top view in order to make it, because as you can see, if we are going to make a top view, it's so easy for us to just extrude the other ones, and the second sketch would be this one, and that's it. So we're going to start with the rectangle, and as you can see, the total distance is 60 by 100. So here we go. So our square is ready. As you can see, say 100 by 60. Now we have 3 blocks here, which is all like 10 by 10 by 10, and the distance also 10. So we're gonna use Swain. That's the second, and that's third. So afterwards we are gonna make the dimension. All 3 are 15. Height is 15. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to use select this 3 and say it as equal. So afterwards we are going to make this dimension, which is 10. Over here as well, make it 10. Over here, make it 10 as well. The inner dimension would be 10. This one 10 too. As you can see, this 3 has finished. Now the second one is that 70 and 45 angle. So we are going to make a simple line, and we're going to make 2 constraints, 2 dimensions, easy. One is this one, which says 70, and the second one would be the angle, which is 45. And now we are going to trim out these 2 lines. Here we go. And now we have to, because we delete that line, so we have to go here and say that is 100 over here. So as we can see, this part is ready. Now we are gonna just use the extrude. We are gonna extrude the entire model. Now we are gonna extrude this downward, because because of that we are gonna use all the 3 blocks for upwards. So this one is finished. I'm using Shift N for the color. Now turn on the sketch. Now we are going to extrude this 3 as well. Now the extrude distance is 10. Here we go. So this one is finished. Now the second thing is that the upper rectangle. For that we are going to use a sketch command on this surface. For the safety, like for easiest thing, I'm just gonna rotate it. Now as you can see, I have just rotated. What we are gonna do is we are gonna make that sketch. As you can see, we can just make a 1 rectangle over here and a 1 line, and that's it. So we're gonna make a rectangle here, and we are gonna use a 1 line, just a random. Here we go. So for that we have a distance is 55 over here, and the total this distance is 35, and the angle is 45. So entire thing has constrained automatically. Now there is a circle in the middle. As you can see, you can find the circle like that, and the outer diameter is 20, and the other circle so 7.5 times 2. Here we go. So we have 2 circles. Now as you can see, the second circle and 1 circle are concentric. Now we have to just go for a dimension, so that this is going to be the black constraint, which says that's a fix. Here we go. So this one is finished as well. Now the distance is 15. So we are going to use extrude again. Now we are going to do this 3 extrusion. Here we go. It's a 15, and we can do one thing. We can do this one as well, and afterwards we are gonna do use the other thing. So this one is done. Now just go for extrude one more time. Turn on the sketch. We are gonna select the smaller circle. Now we are gonna use the from object, the surface, and go a bit to, and it's automatically this is gonna be a cut, and that's it. So as we can see, our model is ready. So thanks so much for this video, and if you like it, please subscribe and help me on Patreon, and see you for the third exercise.